In this video, let me show you how to do cash on delivery in Shopee. Cash on delivery or COD in Shopee allows you to pay for your order when it's delivered, offering a convenient and reassuring payment option. You can choose COD as a payment method during checkout, but only if the seller enables it and your order is eligible for Shopee's logistics partners. To do cash on delivery in Shopee, open the Shopee app on your mobile device, make sure you are logged in, and also you have to finish to set up your account as well as your location delivery. After setting up, select the item you want and tap Buy Now or Buy With Voucher. Choose the quantity, color, or variation, then click Buy Now. After that, scroll down to the payment method section and select View All. If the seller allows it, you'll see the cash on delivery option. Select it and confirm. Finally, place your order. Keep in mind, COD is only available for certain sellers or items. It's more common with Shopee Mall sellers. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.